Vet visits can be stressful and sometimes avoidable. So why not consider a video consultation from the comfort of your own home? Here at Co-op, we've teamed up with First Vet to offer our customers unlimited 24/7 access to experienced vets. Once connected to a vet on the First Vet app, you can get advice, at-home treatment options, or advice to visit your registered vet practice. What's more, there's no need to pay an excess, and consultations don't count as a claim. Our video service is a convenient way to discuss minor injuries as well as other problems with eyes, ears, skin and stomachs. More than half of cases are solved over our calls, but if your furry friend needs immediate medical assistance, you should take them straight to a vet. First Vet is included with your Co-op pet insurance, so make sure to register now so you're ready when you need it. To learn more about the service and its benefits, visit our website.